What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Kells Lou again with another video, Whipz video. You know what I'm saying? Today, like I said, we're gonna be opening up some boxes and putting them on the C230 compressor over there. And you're gonna just clean it out. You know what I'm saying? Because I really hadn't had time to just clean it out and get it squared away since I bought it. You know what I'm saying? I've been working on the Whipz SLK 230 compressor. And I'm gonna do another video on this. I'm gonna put a cold air intake on her car, but for my car, like I said, I gotta clean out the back and some stuff in the seats and everything. So, like I said, we're gonna get both of these squared away, and you know, I'm gonna take y'all through the journey and the process of me getting this car back on the road, because there's a lot of stuff that need work on it. Not a ton of stuff, just minor stuff. And I don't know if I want to do it myself or if I want the shop to do it. So, but I'll let y'all know in this video, and we're gonna get it popping. So y'all stay tuned. So first thing first, let's get the car cover off of her and you know, get to work on her. I think y'all gotta excuse me, I'm doing this with one hand, so the video might be a little janky, but as y'all can see, here's the other clip on that one, and then there's one back here. Get this clip off of it. It's on this side. Yeah, it's on this side. Now let's take the car cover off of her. Like I said, she got a few things going on with her that I'm gonna have to get addressed and get fixed, because she won't start right now, only because the guy that I bought it from, he was trying to put a new fuel filter on it, and trying to get a new fuel filter, new fuel pump, and all that, you know, stuff, and he couldn't actually do it. So like I told him, I was like, I'll take a stab at it, or I might just take it to the shop and let them do it. Because as y'all can see here, I'll show y'all, if it'll go in focus. Let's see right there, that's what he was trying to fix, the fuel filter. And you know what I'm saying, and then he say he put a new fuel pump on it too, but he left the fuel filter down like that only because he said that when he put the fuel pump on, it wasn't getting gas going to, you know, the engine. So I did some research on YouTube and kind of looked up, you know, what could be the issue, and a few videos said that the lines that go from, so here go the new fuel filter he had right here, he was gonna put on, never got around to it because he said it was too complicated. But it's some lines that go from the fuel filter over there and the fuel pump that's over there, and run to the fuel pump that's over here. Sometimes they say them lines get brittle and break off, or they come off, and if they not on the fuel filter right, then the line won't go, or the fuel won't go all the way to the engine. So that's what I'm gonna take a stab at, or I might not do it. I might just take this car to the shop and have them do it. But let's open the hood, because the other thing I got to do for this car is as y'all can see, hold on, doing this with one hand, y'all, bear with me. As y'all can see, it needs that compressor emblem shield on it, and that's what this box is for, that box right there. And then this one is as y'all can see, the dipstick is broke off in there. So I bought a new dipstick for it, and And like I said, yeah, I'm gonna check, to see. He say, it started running everything, but I'm gonna see if I can take a crack at it. But if I can't, like I said, I'm gonna send this car to the shop and let them handle it, and get it squared away and running. So I'll be back with putting that cover on, you know what I'm saying, and then cleaning out the car. I gotta clean out the back too, so y'all stay tuned. Well, let me tell y'all, as I'm doing my progress on this car, I found some little interesting stuff on it. Well, as y'all can see, I put the compressor cover back on there. You know what I'm saying? With this little guy right here, the old dipstick, pull it out, right? And I'm getting ready to put the new one in. Well, first of all, the new one that I bought was too long, and it wouldn't go all the way down. Well, it would go all the way down, but it wouldn't like fit sturdy in there. But I pulled this old one out right here, and I don't know if y'all can see. Hold on, let me grab a vice grip. I don't know if y'all can see. It's gonna be hard trying to do this with one hand, but let me see. Let's see if I can pull it out. Look at that. It's got too much oil in it. So now I gotta do an oil change, which I was gonna do on it anyway. You know what I'm saying? I was gonna do an oil change and a tune-up on it anyway. You know what I'm saying? But it's got way too much oil in it. So on that note, I'm gonna get to work. Like I said, I've been cleaning the insides out. That's too. I got some floor mats coming for it. And then there's the back, the stuff in the back. I gotta clean that out over there, wipe it down a little bit, cause the leather on it ain't been, been seen its first share of days on it. You know what I'm saying? Getting the trunk, I had to clean the trunk out too. Just got some stuff in the trunk that I gotta clean out. But other than that, man, like I said, I'm gonna do some work on it and start on that fuel lines, those fuel lines and stuff too. Let's see if those will work. And if I can't get it in, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna just go to throw it in the shop. Cause I know the shop will fix it. So, but yeah, so I'm gonna have to do an oil change on this car and a tune-up. I'm just gonna get them all knocked out. So when the shop do get it, all that's taken care of. So, but yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Like I said, I gotta that's what I might get ready to do. Is that tire? I gotta get that tire changed and put the old one on there. So I'm gonna do that, and then y'all stay tuned, man. As y'all can see, simple, easy, and plain. It's the old tire. That's one of the tires I had from my other C230 compressor. It's on this one. So got a set of all fours going all the way around. She matching now. Got matching shoes. So, but yeah, man, y'all stay tuned for the next episode, because I'm gonna have to do, like I said, I'm gonna have to do the oil change on this car, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the tune-up on it also. Might as well before I consider throwing it in the shop or working on it myself. Well, working on it myself first, then throwing it in the shop. So, but like I said, she's gonna be back on the road in a minute. Y'all gonna see her. So, and then like I said, next video I'll be on this car, putting the cold air intake on this one, and lo and behold, I might just go ahead and put it on this one too, before I even put it in the shop. I might just go ahead and do the cold air on this one, and the cold air on this one too, and then just have that knocked out the way, you know what I'm saying, even before I go ahead and throw it in the shop. So, but yeah, man, this is another episode of Euro Whipz. It's your boy Kelzaloo signing out. Y'all stay tuned, man. Like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you know when the video is dropping. And 2, Like I said, watch all the videos, comment in the comment section, because like I said, hey, if anybody know about them fuel pumps, you know, whatever, on the forums or, you know, in the comments, let a brother know, man. Like I said, I need help too. Like I said, even though I done had a few of these Mercedes and, you know, BMWs and stuff, I still need help on them, you know what I'm saying? So, all right, y'all, this Kills Loose signing out. I'll holler at y'all.